This year, the middle school teachers will be implementing a new writing strategy called POW. The implementation team decides that it needs to conduct a task analysis of this strategy to help monitor fidelity of implementation. To learn more about POW, the team first reviews the IRIS module, Improving Writing Performance. Doing so, they learn that the POW writing strategy consists of 3 components. P stands for Pick an Idea, O stands for Organize Thoughts, and W stands for Write and Say More. The team recognizes that these 3 steps need to be included in the task analysis. The teachers can instruct their students about how to apply the POW writing strategy by using self-regulated strategy development, or SRSD, a scientifically validated framework for teaching learning strategies. SRSD consists of 6 steps. Step 1 is develop background knowledge. Step 2 is discuss the strategy. Step 3 is model it. Step 4 is promote it. Step 5 is support the students. Step 6 is encourage independent practice. In order to create a task analysis, the team first lists the 6 steps of SRSD, which are then easily adapted for teaching the POW writing strategy. The team also thinks it is important for the teachers to discuss and model each of the 3 POW components. Therefore, they incorporate each component of the POW writing strategy under steps 2 and 3. By developing this task analysis, the team has outlined what teachers need to do to implement the POW writing strategy with fidelity.